Alright guys, we are working on Honda 4-cylinder, any Honda like Honda Accord, Honda CRV, or which they have the VVT solenoid, variable valve timing solenoid. We got it right here. It has got the code for that one, and the engine is like kind of running nice, perfect, but when you rev it up, it doesn't go over 3000 RPM, and it's kind of like hesitating. You can most of the time replace the oil pressure sensor and take the old one off and clean it. Remember to replace this gasket. However, it's gonna take a risk. Sometimes it might work, sometimes it might not. In this case, then you have to take it out and replace it. Since it's just against the firewall and in the blind spot, it's kind of hard to do the job, but it's up to you. I mean, it's not that big of deal to get this one, new one, and replace it. It's always a better idea. Before do that, make sure you get the check on the oil quality and make sure the oil is good and everything. So as you see, we have to reach on the back of the block against the firewall. So that would be the situation to replace this. Most of the time, I mean, this like right here, it has a lot of debris, a lot of sludge and all this stuff, and it's gonna prevent that solenoid to function properly. But again, like I said, I would like to replace that with the new one to just stay at the safe side. I usually don't go with the cleaning and take a risk like that. And again, check the oil level, check the oil quality. If it's bad, replace it along with the oil filter, and then reset the code and drive it. If it doesn't go away or if it comes back on again, the code, then you need to replace the VVT solenoid. They call the VVT solenoid. It has got a solenoid connector right here, 2-pin connector, and it has got the oil pressure sensor right here, just like another rounded 2-pin connector. Anyway, that was a quick summary regarding this code and hesitation when you accelerate the vehicle. And just keep in mind that would be the process. Again, thank you guys for watching, and give me a thumbs up if you like that kind of videos. Make sure you subscribe the channel so you don't miss all free kind of information, and feel free to reach me out if you have any question or concern. Thank you.